Hi guys, it's Cindy. I got a bunch of questions about one of the previous videos I did where I was up to camp having a relaxation time for myself and the project that I brought. And so I thought that I love questions and I love to know what you're interested in seeing me do. So I thought I would come on and explain a little more what I was doing in that video. And this is a perfect project for traveling. I always have an old book and it's kind of bursting right now because I just finished a project, but one of my bins, which I've shown these so many times, I'm not going to talk about it again, but I always have one of these bins full of scraps and a couple of glue sticks in here. And what I do is I just take it, and actually it doesn't have to be an old book. It can be any book. This particular one I shouldn't have chosen because it is falling apart as I try to work in it. The pages are falling out, but basically what I do is I just sit and collage on the pages of the book. In the junk journal world, people are calling these master boards, and I'll show you what you can do with these in a minute. So I made these just sitting at the camp table, looking at the lake. See, they're all falling out. And I usually only do one side. And I think this was the last one I did. So what you can do with these, why do I make these? Because anytime I need a collage, I can just pull one out of my book that, flip through my book, pull it out. I can make tags out of it. I'll just make a quick little tag. Where's my angle punch? And there's a really nice little tag. And I could punch a hole in the top if I wanted and put something through there. And now this can just go in my journal. And the back is vintage paper. It's already kind of decorated for you. So tags are really popular. I can also use all of my different punches and just punch some things. I haven't used this punch in forever. This was from my old scrapbooking days. This makes little brackets, I guess. It's really for a 12 by 12 page. You would put a bracket on each side and have a word in between. But I could maybe use those. I don't know. Maybe I could use those in a journal, but I haven't used that punch in years. I have this punch, so I can kind of look and see what area of this I want. I need to glue down some of this. I didn't glue it all the way. I'm just going to do it right here so I don't waste paper. And I have some cool circles that I can ink up and put in my journal as little embellishments. I also can take one of my edge punches just kind of punch the edge. And I think that's probably enough for now. And then cut it across here. And I need to glue that down. Let me get a journal. Got it. And I have something that can go in a pocket and look really pretty, or I can put it like this and have the border sticking out over the page so that it shows when I turn the page. If I did this on the other side, let's pretend this isn't upside down, you could do it like this and have it be a fabric flip. You could just put it on the page and have it be a pretty decoration. put it here and stick something in the side. And then I have my circle. I have a tag. And everything kind of matches. And it's unique. It's very unique. It'll be one of a kind. Nobody else will have one like it.